Iosha Larae, and in today's video I have another cooking video for you. I am making kind of an African meal, I guess you can say. My husband is African, so I'm American, but I try to cook African meals for him every now and then. You know, I Google, YouTube on how to cook things. But one thing I've been cooking, or I cooked a few times, no mama, we're not putting on these shoes, no, is jollof rice. He absolutely loves it. But instead of using the regular rice today, he wanted me to use broken rice, chopped rice, broken rice, whatever. So it's my first time cooking with the broken rice, so hopefully it comes out right. He told me to just use the same ingredients I use with the regular rice, just use broken rice, because he said he likes that better, he can eat it better. So that's what I'm cooking. So hold on guys. As you can see in the clip before, I've already chopped up everything I needed, so basically prepped everything. The only thing I'm about to do now is season the fish, and I'm gonna let it sit before I actually start cooking for a good 30 minutes. That don't really take that long to cook. So I'm gonna season the fish now and put it in the refrigerator, and then I'm gonna start cooking everything else. But let me show you what I got. So right here we got fish, some onions, and then in this bowl I put 1 habanero, 6 of these small tomatoes, and 2 red peppers. They're at the bottom, you can't see them. And then of course we have our broken rice, the broken jasmine rice, bay leaves, oil, olive oil, palm oil, pepper, white pepper, garlic salt, onion powder, this red hot pepper, which I don't know if I'm gonna use it because it's kind of hot for my son, but I'll decide that, you know, later. Some salt, and then some Maggi cubes. So that's all the ingredients. We're going to add the tomatoes, the habanero, and the red peppers. pour the palm oil into the pot, and we're gonna let that cook down. And then once that's cooked down, we're going to add our red onions and let them cook until they get translucent. So we got the onions. And we're just gonna let those cook. So I took about half of the onions out. So those cook down a little bit. Now we're going to take tomatoes and all that and pour it in. Oh, sorry, Mama. See. Okay. What? Okay, so now we're going to season this here with the same stuff: Maggi cubes, garlic powder, some garlic salt, and Maggi cubes, and then I'm going to add a bay leaf. And what are we we're going to just let this simmer down. That's basically what we're doing. We're just letting this cook down. Let that water cook down. Let all those flavors cook together. That's basically what we're doing here. So I think I'm going to add about 3 Maggi cubes to this, along with 2 bay leaves. Well, depending on the size of them, these look pretty small, so I might add 4, 3 or 4. Add all those. And then my stove is like on medium, on a 6, so medium high, kind of. It's not on high. So just stir everything up. I'm going to cover it and then just let that cool down. Now while this is cooking, okay, y'all see how it's boiling? Let me bring y'all a little closer. How it's boiling. It's getting a little thicker. We still gonna let it cook down some more. We want all that water out. Okay guys, so I'm back, and as you can see, it cooked down a lot. So what I'm getting ready to do is add the chopped rice. Now normally I do about 2 or 3 cups of the regular rice. I'm using chopped rice. Not quite sure how much I should use. So we're gonna start off with 2 cups and see. So that's 1. And that's 2. I might do 3. Two might even be enough, but I think I'm gonna add a little bit more.
Mommy, I think I'm using the cover.
Okay, so that's how it's looking with the rice. And I'm going to add some chicken broth. Or you can add water, but I'm using chicken broth for a little bit of extra flavor. You just want to add it just to cover, enough to cover the rice. Cover it.
You put chicken broth in there?
Yes, Josie. And I turned it down, and then we're just gonna cover it and let it steam and cook. So that's that with the rice. On my plate because they wasn't ripe enough, and even when I fried them they still was kind of hard, so they wasn't right. But this is just the jollof and the fish. It looks pretty good to me, and I've tried the jollof. It tastes pretty good. I just haven't tried the fish yet. So let's get little guy's opinion. Oh, a bay leaf I didn't take about. So let's get your opinion on how the food tastes.
I like the jollof.
You taste it? Mm-hmm. So rate it 1 to 10. What do you need a knife? He always grabs a knife.
I'm gonna cut it.
You don't need to cut it. Okay, taste the fish. Hurry up so I can eat. You don't need to cut it. It has bones in it, Jazeel. Just pick it up and eat it. You have to be careful with the bones.
9 out of 10. 9.5 out of 10.
So it's good. All right. So again.